It is reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu with two authorities that he heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, there were three men among the Banu Israel, a leper, a bald-headed, and a blind. Allah, willing to test them, sent an angel to them. Then angel went to the leper and asked him, what do you like the most? He said, good complexion and beautiful skin, for the people have a strong aversion to me. The angel wiped his hand over him, his disease got cured, and he gave him a good complexion and beautiful skin. Then he, the angel, asked, what type of property do you like the most? He replied, camels or cows. Ishaq, the sub-narrator, faces uncertainty in declaring who between the leper and the bald demanded camels and who demanded cows. So he was given 10 she-camels and said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless you in it. Then the angel went to the bald and said, what thing do you like the most? He said, beautiful hair, so that this baldness may get cured, for the people have repulsion against me. The angel ran his hand over him, his illness got cured, and he gave him beautiful hair and asked him, what type of property do you like the most? He replied, cows. So he gave him a pregnant cow and said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless you in it. Then the angel went towards the blind man and asked, what thing do you like the most? He said, I wish Allah Jalla Jalaluhu restore my sight to me, so as to see the people. Thereupon the angel ran his hand over him, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu restored his sight. Then he, the angel, inquired, what property do you like the most? He replied, goats. The angel gave him a pregnant goat. The animal of all three persons produced young ones to such an extent that the first had a herd of camels filling a valley, the second had a herd of cows filling a valley, and the third one had a flock of goats filling a valley. Later the angel went to the leper in the leper's previous form and appearance and said, I am a poor man and my resources have got exhausted in my journey. None can take me to my destination save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu than you. I request for the sake of him who granted you good complexion, good skin, and camels to arrange a camel for me so that I can continue my journey. He said, I have many duties to discharge. The angel said, perhaps I know, were you not a leper to whom people had repulsion and a poor man whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had granted property to? He said, I have inherited this property from my ancestors. The angel said, if you are a liar, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may return you to your former condition. Then the angel went to the bald-headed in his former form and said to him the same that he said to the leper, and he rejected him in the same way as the leper rejected him. The angel said, if you are a liar, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may transform you in your former form. Then the angel came to the blind in the blind's former form and said, I am a poor traveler and my resources have got exhausted. None can take me to my destination save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu than you. I beseech you for a goat in the name of him who restored your sight to you, so that I may cover my journey. He replied, no doubt, I was blind. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu restored my sight. I was poor and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made me rich. So take as much property as you wish. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I shall not stop you from taking anything you will take for Allah's sake. The angel said, keep your property with you. You all have been put to a test, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is pleased with you and displeased with both of your companions. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3464.